Welcome to the world of AI face swapping. We are the provider of AI face changing software Kafalev. Our AI face changing software supports real-time face changing with pictures, face changing with videos, live broadcast of face changing with real-time, and video calls with real-time face changing. The platforms supported by the real-time face swapping live broadcast include YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, and other short video platforms. The platforms supported by the real-time face swapping video call include WeChat, WhatsApp, Facebook, Line, Telegram, Zoom, Solo, and other chat software platforms. If you want to purchase or learn more, please contact customer service. Change for the last time. Thanks for watching and see you next time.